Welcome to Divine Cuisines, showing you how to make delicious recipes. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make roast potatoes. First, gather the ingredients. You'll need 2 kg of potatoes, 3 teaspoons of garlic granules, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of thyme, a sprinkle of salt, and 5 tablespoons of oil. Start by peeling the potatoes and cut them into equal-sized chunks. Fill a pot with cold water and pour the potatoes in on medium heat with no lid, as the boiling water can spill out if covered. When it's parboiled, meaning it's soft to push a fork through but it's not fully cooked, drain off the boiling water. Place the potatoes on a baking tray with foil or baking paper. Sprinkle the herbs and garlic on top. In the oven, let it cook for 40 minutes to 1 hour on gas mark 7, depending on how crispy you like it. Every 20 minutes, turn them over to cook evenly. These roast potatoes are perfect as any side dish, or you can even enjoy them on their own. Thanks for watching.